Oh snap, we got a chair. We can do some relaxing. Alright, welcome back, internet e-bike riders. We are on another adventure today. We are on a trip to pick up an air shim, because as you know, these Talaria batteries rattle. I'm gonna try to do a test before, shake it around, see what happens. The rubber blocks that come with the Talaria are not the best, so yeah, we're gonna just take a cruise up there. I got all the goods. Got the backpack on today. Gonna pick up a couple things while we're there. It's gonna be a good day. It's beautiful. Have not been able to ride for like a week. It's been raining just about every single day. So yeah, glad to be back out on it. Got the full charge, 100%, and ready to rip it. So I'm gonna take you on my trip up here today. Get a little quick install of the air shim. Testing, seeing how it works. See if it's worth it. It's like $12, I think. It's really not that expensive. Maybe like 20 bucks at the most. I can put that up right there. Alright, this is gonna be a main road, so this is gonna be a little sketch up here. I might just pull the little sidewalk. We don't have to go too far. We just gotta cut across here. Everything else is back roads. So yeah, we're about to cut through this backside again. I'm probably gonna take a cruise through this park on the trip back. But yeah, so basically this thing's pretty cool. You stick it in the backside of the battery and pump it up a little bit and just pressurize it. It's really meant to like help hang doors, to give you a little boost to make it level instead of using wood shims, or when you're putting in windows or stuff like that. So it's a good tool, really good idea. A few other people on YouTube have been doing it, and I'll test it out for myself. It's a cheap upgrade and definitely worth it. Cruising through the lots, seeing the people. Another thing that is going on. What are you doing, bro? You're coming right at me. What you doing, dog? What you doing? Like an idiot. So yeah, I did reach out to Luna Cycles, and they told me when they got some new displays in stock, and it is going to be at my house in a few days. So I'm gonna attach that, and we're gonna see how we're doing. Hopefully I can see how many miles I've ridden since it got destroyed. Haven't decided if I'm putting that clip up. Alright, we're coming up on the store. We got the local workers. Alright. Hopefully it stays here.
Please, would you like an e-receipt? Thank you.
The trip was a success. We got the stuff. Didn't drop anything. I'm gonna close these pockets up. I got phone, keys, wallet. Gotta make sure you got the phone, keys, wallet. Alright, it was a quick little trip. Let's go over check that park out. And we can head back and get the install. Damn, dog. You gotta pick a lane there, my guy. Holy shit, dude came all the way out. Let's see what we got over here. I haven't been back here. We got anything? Oh, hit it. Let's see what we got. I haven't been to this park in a long time. Let's go. We got this huge tower. There's a lot of folks who are fans of the medical supplies. You know, those people who like their medical supplies usually hang out here. No, I sealed it up. Oh wait, no. Oh yep, they did seal it up. Used to be able to get in there. There's a super sketchy ladder. You can climb up and get to the top. There's usually residents though. What is this track? We got a little track here? A little skinny track. Ooh, listen to that battery rattle. That's a good reason for this video right here. Heard that shit clanking around. That's sick. Hit this. Let's go with the stuff in the bag. Let's see if we can hit that track and hear some battery rattle again. Definitely like a little walking footpath. Alright, listen for the rattle. Ooh, let's go. This is a good little spot. Definitely don't think I can stay here for too long now. Ooh, someone's smoking the cron. That smelled good. Ooh, a little cut through. What's up? Let's go. Dude's jamming. Okay. Glad we got a little test there. You could hear the rattle. Is this park open? No, that is not a park. That's a school. Oh. Oh wait, I don't know. Yeah, it is open. Definitely can't get the Larry through that though. I really don't want you there. We also got some double stick tape because my mic adapter is just hanging loose. You can probably see it in the shadow. Look at that, look at that. Look at that shadow. Just dangling. So that's not good, as everyone would obviously see. Sick. Look at this truck, this old Chevy. Dang, some mud wompers. Heck yeah. I used to have a truck similar to that. Had a 1988 Dodge D100. Pearly girly. We called her Pearl because she was a big gray truck. Looked like Mr. Krabs' daughter, Pearl. We can go make one other stop, I think. Pop up at the old corner store, grab a Red Bull. Alright, we made it. Okay, I wanted to get a shot of how the air shim is sitting in the front of the battery and what I actually ended up doing. I rode it a couple times, and then this last time was actually really good. So I ended up putting this brick back in here, and the shim squeezes the battery into the rubber instead of into the frame of the bike. The top block is also on there. The key thing was the way this is facing. This fits best if it goes this way, and it sits right in here. This valve will not get pressed when you're jumping around and bouncing around. Like during that whole session, I didn't think about battery rattle once. So yeah, I definitely recommend getting one of these. It's well worth it. You do have to poke in the corners of this and make sure you get it down behind the battery far enough. You'll feel there's another, it's like another gripping pad for the battery that's come stock on the bike. And this has to slip past that a little bit, and then you can fit the corners down under the side of the bike. And then it fits down pretty much flush here. This goes out to the left, give her some pumps. I noticed when I had the block removed, you see this damage right here happened because of the battery rubbing against this right here. So it was a little bit too close, so I do recommend putting this block in and the shim. Oh, and one last thing is you don't want to pump it up too much, because what it does, it's putting pressure on this mechanism here, the latch catch, and basically, I don't know if you can see it here, but you want to do it up until the point where it starts to move. It's really hard to show here, but you can see that this gets pushed back. And you also have to be careful too, because it's pushing against that metal bracket that the breaker is attached to, and you just don't want to stretch that out or do anything weird. So I did about 4 pumps with this, 5 if you're feeling froggy, but you can really see once you pump it up, you can really see it start to push against this. So just go to move it a little bit, not enough to stretch or damage the metal. All right. Now I might cut back to some wheelie practice or me riding around. Haven't decided yet. It's a little out of order because I learned some things after riding with it for a little while. Give us good luck, Jake. Oh, we got some undiscovered places. Oh, snap. What do we got over here? Is this a whole field? Oh. I think we got that hill climb. Easy. Hey, we got the train. Let's go. Got some sick graffiti pieces. I'm liking it. We got some Talaria V train action. Alright, here we go. There's the end of the train. Go! Smoke the train! Let's go, we race the train. We've eaten trains out here. Whew. That could have been bad. No foot down. No foot down. Let's go. Oh man, it's just so soft. Get out of here, crows. Locked it up. I gotta get off the bike for this one. No, no one's getting it out. Anyways, I'm gonna try to splice in some more footage where I can, close up of the air shim. Other than that, I think it worked pretty well, and I'm not worried about the rattle. It's gone. My brake squeak is a completely different story. But anyways, that's the end of this one. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the content, please like, comment, subscribe, hit all those buttons. One, many, all of them, I don't know, any of them help out. Much appreciated. See you in the next one. That's it. Video over.